Guys, for today's video magluluto ako ng ground beef stir fry in oyster sauce. So first thing to do na ginawa ko is naglagay ako ng oil, then the chopped onion and the minced garlic. Inano ko lang siya, kinisa ko lang, then wait until it's the minced garlic lightly brown. So ayan na, then add ko na yung beef, minced beef. Ayan, nalagay ko na yung beef, then naglagay ako ng salt and pepper, then wait natin until it's become brown. Ayan guys, naglagay na rin ako ng soy sauce and oyster sauce. Then mix together. Naglagay na rin ako ng ketchup. Tansya-tansya lang guys. Depende sa dami ng ng beef. And then, nilagay ko na yung patatas and carrots. Then, nag-add ako ng water and beef cubes. Pwede rin yung beef broth na liquid na siya, pero wala ako nun. Then, stir fry lang until well combined. Ayan guys. Just let it simmer until the carrots and the potato becomes tender na. After that, finish na. Pwede nang i-serve. Let's see, mamaya. Ayan na guys, luto na. Malasang malasa. Dahil sa beef. Malasa talaga ang beef. Ready to serve na guys. Ganun lang kadali guys. Magluto ng ground beef stir fry in oyster sauce. Napakasimple lang ng mga ingredients. Carrots, patatas. Diba? Hindi na masyadong madami pa. Ang sarap niya guys. Pwede nang kumain. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and pa-pindot po ng notification. Thank you so much. Bye. Be kind. God bless.